Today we're going to work on finding the area of different polygons, in this case an equilateral triangle. And with an equilateral triangle, we're going to break this down into 3 different triangles in order to get a handle on what to do to find the area of the whole triangle. So what kind of 3 parts? Here we go. Here's one of them. Here's the second one. And the third one is as follows. This one right here, which is the one we're actually going to concentrate on when we solve the first part of our problem. So we're going to go ahead and recognize that this 7 root 3 over 3 is the apothem. That's right here. And I'm going to take this part of the triangle out, blow it up a little bit, and concentrate on that, as we said. So this is 7 root 3 over 3. So I'm going to concentrate on this triangle right here, which I took out of it. And the reason we're doing that is because we can look at this as this is a 30 degree, 90 degree triangle. So this is 30 degrees here, because it's half of the 60 degrees that this equilateral triangle has on each corner. Remember, an equilateral triangle has 3 angles, 60 degrees each, making up the triangle sum theorem gives us 180 degrees, and they're all equal angles. The only way that can be is if we have them each equal to 60 degrees. So here we go. We're going to find the area of this little guy, and then we're going to say, hey, if we find the area of this, then we're going to be able to tell that the area is twice of that. Then we're going to have the area of this whole part here. This whole part there, this whole part there will be 3 times this one. So that's the path we're taking here, and that's the journey we're going to be on. And onwards we go. We're going to go ahead and go 1/2 base times height, but first we need the base. We don't have it. We just have the height of this triangle. The base is found because this is a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, with the ratio being therefore 1 to 2, 1 root 3. The hypotenuse is twice the short side, and the long side is root 3 times the short side. This is the short side, it's opposite the 30 degree angle. Therefore, this long side over here, 7 root 3 over 3 times root 3. That's going to give us the long side, which is equal to 7 times 3 over 3, which is equal to 7. Quick math there. And this, therefore, is 7. And now we can get the area of this triangle. The area equals 1/2 base times height. By the way, we're listening to a little Pink Floyd here. It's Comfortably Numb, and it's from the Dark Side of the Moon album, inspired by this kind of interesting black background and triangular prism effect, which is what was on the cover of the very well-known Dark Side of the Moon album. So area equals 1/2 base times height, and let's put the numbers in. Area equals 1/2 base, which is 7, times height, 7 root 3 over 3. That's equal to, let's see, go ahead and put that up a little bit, equal to 49 root 3 over 6. And now we've got it. We've got the area of this section here. That would be this part of this. We're going to multiply it by 2, and then we're going to double that. That's going to be this one. And once we have that, we're going to multiply that by 3 to find the area of the whole thing. So 2 times this is equal to 2 times 49 root 3 over 6, which is equal to 49 root 3 over 3. Because the 2 divides into the 6, so that's 1/3. We're just taking that and simplifying it basically. 2 into 6. So 49 root 3 over 3 times 3, and we're going to have our answer. Then I'm going to have to lift that up over here. Let's see if we can see it. So 3 times 49 root 3 over 3, because we've got the area of this one by finding the area of this one, doubling it to get this. Now we're taking this one, and we've got 3 of them, so that 3 is going to divide into there, and our answer is 49 root 3, which is C on the sheet. 49 root 3 is our answer for the whole equilateral triangle. That does it. Hope you enjoyed the background music, the mood and the ambience. Again, with a little Pink Floyd, celebrating that prism on the album cover. Oh, got the next song, and that's The Bell. The Time song is also Pink Floyd. Check it out on those classic rock albums.